Start from the sidebar, click on Login Hardening, and then Custom Login URL. To begin, simply toggle the switch to enable Custom Login URL. Now, look at the login page URL section. Instead of the default WP admin, you can type in a unique slug. For this example, let's change it to something like your custom login URL. Now click Save Changes button to apply. Next, copy your new login URL from here. To test it, we'll open a new window. If we try to visit the new custom link, the login page appears perfectly. However, if a hacker tries the old standard URL, they won't find anything. But what exactly do they see? You can actually control that. Let's go back to the setting options. Now at the old login page URL redirect section, you can choose to send intruders to a 404 page, your home page, or even a custom slug. Let's set a custom redirect called Custom Redirect. Then save the changes. Let's come to a new window tab. If we try to access the old wp-admin URL, as we can see, we are instantly redirected to that custom URL instead of the login page. For even more security, you can enable a consent message on the login page. This adds a checkbox that users must click to agree to your terms or privacy policy before logging in. You can even customize the text to match your site's branding. We are keeping the default message here. Now click Save Changes to apply. Let's open a new window and go to the login page. You'll notice a mandatory checkbox appears on the login form. Once user enters their credentials and checkmark the box, they can access the dashboard. Lastly, one thing before you change your login URL, you must set up your emergency access link for your future safety. This option provides a secret link to disable the plugin if you forget the custom login URL. Click Regenerate URL to create your unique link, then copy it and save it somewhere safe. Finally, to test it, simply paste the URL into your browser. As a result, the plugin is deactivated. Go back to Plugins. You will see the plugin is deactivated.